everyone. In this vlog, let's go to DD Hills. This trip was unplanned, so we started from home by 12 o'clock in the afternoon. We headed straight on NH4, Tumkur Highway. To give a brief intro about the destination, Devarayana Durga Hills, and it is very commonly known as DD Hills, which is located in Tumkur district, which is around 100 kilometers from Bangalore city. It's a small hill station with an altitude of 3,900 feet above sea level, and it is surrounded by forest and hilltops. If you are traveling from Bangalore, take right either beneath the Baspet flyover or Tumkur Square to reach the foothills. As we took the right turn, the roads are pretty clean with greenery all around. The roads with soothing view leads to the picturesque hilltop. As we reached the foothills, one should take ticket to reach the hilltop. We parked our car and started walking towards the hill. At a hilltop lies an ancient, pristine Lord Lakshmi Narasimha temple. The day we visited, the temple was pretty crowded, so we thought not to go for darshan. If you have a good contacts, then you can book the Inspector Bungalow to enjoy the chilling night at hilltop. DD Hills is a good half-day destination to kill boredom, breathe fresh air, enjoy natural and pollution-free environment. We headed back from the curvy hairpin bends. Near to the hills, there lies this quaint little lake, left to itself. This could be a very pleasant sight to spend the day reading a book or writing one quietly. We parked our car and started walking towards the lake to find a nice place to sit out. The lake was very beautiful, full of greenery all around. It was slightly raining on that day, which made this lake look more beautiful. We finally find one place to just sit and have our snacks. But what we see? A mischievous monkey guest. This place is popular attraction, so please keep it nature fresh and avoid littering it up. Tourists visiting this lake behaves normally like most of their lives. Empty packets of snacks, broken alcohol bottles, and leftover food. They dump everything here, which they should not do. On a good note, we enjoyed a lot here. My daughter was full happy, playing here and there. After a good 3 hours staying there, we headed back. On the way back, one can find fresh vegetables and fruits with reasonable price. I couldn't resist myself from walking into these lush green landscapes. Hope you all enjoy our mini trip to TD Hills. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next vlog.